What if you can make money to watch videos? I'm sure you guys have come across a ton of making money online videos about making money while watching videos online. But have you ever come across a strategy that's gonna pay you $100 every single hour that you work? I know your answer is no, and that's why we're gonna be bringing today's strategy straight into your screen. Earn $100 by typing in What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So the first step to today's video is that you're gonna play the video, then you're gonna watch it for at least 60 seconds, and then you're gonna cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the most effective website to make money online just by watching videos. Our website for today is very accessible. You can do it from anywhere around the world, and it's 100% free to use. Now, right before I get into how you can do this, don't forget that I will be giving some tips and tricks that's gonna help you earn double and even triple the money that I promised you. So make sure that you watch from the very start till the very end so that you don't miss anything important, and let's get right into it. First and foremost, I want you to go on to zoombucks.com. Now, this website is 100% free, it's secure, and it's legit. And if you can see here, you're able to earn money by simply completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and doing offers. The purpose of this video is that we are going to be concentrating on watching videos because this is the strategy and this platform that is something you already do every single day, and it's the one that pays the most amount of money among all of the options given to you. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the watching TV option. Now let me explain to you how this website actually works. First step is you're going to create a free account on this website. Second step, you're going to select a channel that interests you. Then you're going to start watching TV shows and videos. And after you watch those videos, points is going to be sent into your account, or your account is going to credit those points, and then you're going to also keep an eye out for a lot more earnings by switching between different channels. And lastly, you're going to exchange those points that the website credited you for cash or gift cards or whatever you want. It's that simple. So make sure that you watch this video all the way through to really understand how the website works. Now, as I just mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on the website. And to be able to do so, you're going to go to the homepage, you're going to enter in your email address, you're going to create a password, then you're going to click on sign up now. You can also use your Facebook or your Google account to be able to sign up for an account. And as soon as you've logged into your Zoombucks account, you can actually check how much money you can make on the website. As you can see, people have made anything from $200 all the way to $500, and you could be the next one to make all this money. These people are all earning money using Zoombucks just by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The greatest part about this method is that there's a huge number or a large variety of videos available on the website for you to choose from, and all of those videos actually update every single day, which means the possibilities are endless for you to earn money here and just by watching videos. To be able to get started, you're going to click on the left side, which says watch. And then after that, you're going to see these boxes that have the word Hideout TV and Lootably on them. And if you actually hover your mouse onto that, you're going to see all of the offer details. Next thing that you're going to do is select Lootably by clicking the start button. You're then going to be brought to this page where you can actually choose the video category that you want. Now, you can choose from the categories of food, DIY, DIY, or random videos. Now on the right side of your screen, you're going to see how many points you can earn on these categories. Now, so if we select or choose food, for example, you're going to be taken to this website. You're again going to have to sign up for a free account to be able to proceed. And to do so, you're going to enter in your email address, you're going to create a password, and then you're just going to click sign up. When you're done creating a Ludably account, you're going to be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. Now, this website allows you to watch as many videos as you possibly want, as much as you can. Now, if we're going to click on this one right here, for example, you're going to be taken to another page where you're going to have to watch this video for just at least 30 seconds to be able to earn some money. Now, I want you to leave a comment down below about where you're from, what devices you use, and what your preferred payment method is. In that way, I can focus on that when I make future videos for my lovely subscribers. So let's keep going. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you want on multiple tabs all at the same time. In that way, you're going to be able to watch a lot of videos while you do other things of your own. So you're going to be earning the most amount of money with the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right side. And another bonus tip that I have for you is to actually lower the video quality by clicking the video settings. To save data, I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible. And as a result, you're going to be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while you earn as much money as possible as well. Now, these bonus tips are quite effective, and you can actually use them pronto to double, triple, or even quadruple the amount of money that you make every single day using this website. If you're loving today's video so far, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment about what you're loving the most about our video so far. It really helps the channel, and it makes us really happy to know if you do so. Just make sure you keep watching because we're almost done and you're almost going to start making money like wildfire. So let's continue. And now that you know how to make some money on Zoombox just to watch videos, I want to show you another way that you can make money with the website, and that is by participating in their surveys. Now, on the left side of your Zoombox dashboard, you can actually see surveys, which you're going to click on. And then you click on that, you're going to be brought to a page with a list of companies that offers you all these simple surveys to complete. Each survey is going to pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, and $5, and even more than what is shown here. All you have to do is click on the company that offers you the account with the company of your choice, and then you're going to start taking as many surveys as you can. And that's pretty much all there is for today's video. Don't forget that the platform is called Zoombox, and it's an amazing website, and I know you guys are going to fall in love with it just like I did. So that's it, and I'll see you again next time. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.